Handwriting analysis has been used to detect cognitive and motor dysfunctions. Some aspects of handwriting difficulties can be an indicator for MCI and related to disease progression.
The main advantage of this study is that it uses a digital handwriting analysis system for simplified Chinese character users. This method can also be applied to the detection of psychomotor retardation in patients with depression, schizophrenia, or other psychiatric disorders who are simplified Chinese users.
Before beginning an analysis, select a 410 by 265 by 17.5 mm USB digitizer with a 3840 by 2160 dot spatial resolution, a 0.9 by 0.9 mm pixel size, a 30 millisecond temporal resolution, and an 8192 pressure level, and a handheld stylus pen for the handwriting movements. Connect a laptop PC to the digitizer to collect and exhibit the handwriting traces, and install an appropriate data recording, processing, and analyzing software program. Recruit mild cognitive impairment participants who present with a memory complaint, an objectively impaired memory function, intact activity of daily living, and the absence of dementia. To perform a handwriting task, use the stylus to create sample Chinese characters in the writing area of the digital.